show you a little extra something that you can do with these eggs. This is an egg actually, as just a smaller one. I used a smaller mold. Again, I found this mold, I think at Michael's or at Hobby Lobby or one of those stores, craft stores. But I just make smaller eggs for my children because I don't want them on a sugar high. But if you look inside this egg, you can see the chick inside here is made out of chocolate. So I've got a chocolate mold here. It's just a little mini Easter chocolate mold. And I've got bunnies, chicks, baskets, even little carrots. And I can mold them out of chocolate and put them inside these eggs. As you can see here, I molded one of those other bases. And this base I molded and it came out pink. If you ever want to dye your sugar mold, what you're going to do is dye the water. Put your food color in the water and then add the water to the sugar and it will come out a nice color. This is kind of a pinky peach. Here are other things you can do. This is just an ice cube tray. This is a Santa Claus ice cube tray. You can see his face. Whoop, upside down. Nope, upside down. I guess he goes both ways. And all I did was take my sugar and pop it in and then pop it out. I have some other molds here. If you're going to have a fancy tea, you can make your own sugar cubes to set out with your tea. And all these are just little, these are actually, I think, fudge molds, chocolate fudge molds or something like that. And all I did was pop the sugar in and then pop it right back out again. And as you can see, it came out in all the shapes. And then if you want to make it nice and fancy, on the flat portions, you just add your little sugar piece and a little leaf. Squeeze that together. And you have cute little sugar cubes to serve your guests. If you've got a baby shower or if you've got a wedding shower, these are perfect. This I just made by flattening out the sugar, and then I used a cookie cutter, a little tiny cookie cutter. So there's many different ways you can do it. So there you have your panoramic sugar eggs, and now you can see how easy it is to turn your granulated sugar into pretty little accessories and sugar eggs.